Hi, today we are going to show you how to use our calculator that you can find on our international website. So come on and follow me. Okay, so here we are on the international website of Radonova that you can find. Type in www.radonova.org. Our calculator can be found also in many different national websites as well. So we are going to show you in two simple steps how to determine the number of radon detectors that you need to assess the radon exposure at your workplace. The steps will be, first of all, we will choose the rooms, ground floor, and so on, and then we will choose the size of every single room. So let's start. So we go to Services, we click on Calculator for Workplaces, and we choose how many rooms are in the cellar floor. Let's say 2 rooms. Is there a ground floor? Yes. How many upper floors? Let's choose, for instance, 2 floors. Next step. Now we will choose the size for every room. Let's leave everything as default. Ground floor, how many rooms can we find in the ground floor? For instance, 2 rooms, and we need to choose the size for every single room. And in the upper floors, we have chosen 2 floors. So floor number 1, how many rooms? 1 room. Floor number 2, how many rooms? Let's choose 3 rooms. And we can also choose the size for every single room. Imagine that we have in the first floor a very large room of 1000 square meters, and we calculate the result. Here we go. We need 11 radon detectors as a minimum to assess the radon exposure on our workplace. So thank you very much, and visit our website www.radonova.org.